ignore all the mess, I'm almost done with this crossbow. So this video is going to be coming soon, and by soon I mean hopefully this month. Still need to make it look good. I'm missing like 1 or 2 more pieces that I need to make for this. And then I can make the test video. I didn't record the build video because I decided not to. I need to make bolts as well. I think I can use the ones for the other crossbow, but I only have 3, so I think I'll start recording more during like early morning, late night time, because it's way too hot in the afternoon. Actually, I'll do a dry fire shot of the crossbow. There's no bolts in it, so it's not gonna hit anything. It uses a different trigger mechanism. It's really just one piece now, so it's cool. Okay, let me see if I can line this up. Yeah, it's pretty powerful. I just need to, when I screw it all back together, I need to screw the limbs at a lower angle so the string has pressure on the rails, and then it should work pretty well. As for new videos, I don't know yet. Hopefully I'll upload soon.